Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python pass statement in looping control structure. So we will use while loop. So what is this looping control structure in which we are going to use pass statement? So looping control structure. So control means condition, true or false. Structure means indented block of code. So the definition goes like this: executing an indented block of code based on a condition is called control structure. So now coming to looping control structure, they will execute indented block of code 0 or more times or multiple times based on a condition. So coming to the pass statement. So pass statement is mainly used to define empty loop, okay, which is loop without body. Okay, so loop without body. So here it can be used with empty functions, empty class, empty other branching control structures like if, else, elif, etc. So here we can take while condition pass. So it means thus, so while loop without body. So we can also take like this while condition. I can take some statements also. After that I can say pass. So when we say here pass, it goes to next iteration of the while loop. So this is while loop without body, simply saying pass as the single statement. We can have some executable statements in the while body, and then we can say pass. It goes to the next iteration. So let us try to demonstrate this pass with the different cases in Python programming. So first take comments at the beginning of the program. Right. So now let us work with pass in while loop. I'm taking here I equal to 1. So the initial value of the while loop I 1, and I'm checking I less than or equal to 10. 1 less than or equal to 10, true. After that I'm just incrementing I value in the indented body of the while loop. I equal to I plus 1. Okay, and after that I'm saying pass. So it goes to the next iteration 2. 2 less than or equal to 10, true. I equal to I plus 1, pass. Okay, so 10 less than or equal to 10, true. I equal to I plus 1, 11, pass. 11 less than or equal to 10, false. It will come out and print I value as 11, end of the loop. So save this, come to the prompt where you have saved this, okay, and run it. Python pass statement example1.py. So I value with pass in the while loop, at the end it will become 11. So what if I remove this statement also? Simply it goes to the next iteration. So it keeps on iterating there only. So it will run into infinite loop. 1 less than or equal to 10. So how to come out of the infinite loop? Control C. Okay. Or you can say control pause break. Control C or control pause break. Okay. Right. So next case goes like this. In if else branching or branching control structure. So if I take if true, it will simply say pass. Okay, it will not print anything. Okay, so it will come out and print end of branching control structure if else. So save it, and run it. So if true, pass, come out of the branching control structure, if else, and print this message. Similarly, we can also take if of false. It will come to the else part, simply pass, end of branching control structure, if else. Okay. If you want, we can also take some statements here like print true value, print false value. Okay. Now, how it is used inside a function. So function without a body. I'm defining a function f1. So I don't have any body here. Print inside f1 function is commented pass. Okay. Right. So here I'll print one message simply for our understanding. So end of f1 function call. So save this and run. So simply we got end of f1 function call. So function without any body. If you want, you can also take one statement or two statements as per our requirement and say pass. Okay, so basically we used to represent pass with empty body. Next, we can also use it in loop. X in hello, H-E-L-L-O. It will iterate 5 times and simply say pass for each time. After that, I'll print here end of for loop. Right, so save this and run. So it has iterated 5 times and then end of for loop. So if you want to represent any control structure or indented block of code without any body, in that situations we have to go for pass. So this is how pass statement is not only used in looping control structure but also with branching control structure, functions, classes, etc. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.